Hi everyone, welcome to another CountyCom One Take video. Hey, these are one opportunity to show you something cool. There is unscripted and no second chances to make these videos. Today, I am going to show you the Covert Precision Screwdriver Pen Kit. So, mark it on this. This was intended for a unmanned aerial UAS, unmanned aerial system client, and they're going to come with their name on them. These are going to come with our name on them, but you will see them later with another company's name on them. It's still made by us and still to our specs, so I think you're going to like that. But let's get into this. This is a very unassuming pen-like product. Can I focus on that? Ooh, dirty nails. But you pop the cap just by pull, and there's your bits. Let's get some focus on that. Like I said, there we go. So there's our bits all hiding in there. And, yep, straight and Phillips. Good. Let's just pull one out, and I can't do it on camera. There we go. Pull one out. We put the little cartridge back in. Click. It's got a magnetic tail cap, so I can pick up the screws, which is sometimes as important as screwing them in. And here we go. Sorry, don't do it on camera. There we go. I have to look away from the camera to do that. Look at that. So I'm going to zoom in on this for you, maybe. Good. Look at that. So this particular bit is a 1.0. I believe that translates to metric, and a 4.0 straight edge on it. And it just goes in there like that, up front. And got the magnet. That's nice. Let me put this back. Just a really nice, let's pull that cartridge out of there again. So, does it rattle? No rattle. That's an outstanding feature in my book. So no rattle. Let's pull that cartridge out. Let's look at some of the other bits we've got here. Come on. Focus. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's held, the bits you can see just clip right in. They are, the cartridge itself is held captive by the O-ring. There's the O-ring. Push, slides right in. There's our nice decent clip, pocket clip. And we'll put that down. Good. So, what do we need to know? So flathead, it's got the 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter, 4 millimeter. The Phillips are the pH 1, 2, and 3, which is, I guess, equivalent to 1 millimeter, 2 millimeters, and 3 millimeters. This is a precision screwdriver that you can carry in a very, very small package. Might notice that we're doing a lot of tools. These are all for UAVs and unmanned systems. So robots. We're doing a lot of unmanned aerial systems and robots that are ground-based. And this is a tool that a customer requested. So if you buy their toolkit for their product, you're gonna get these. You're gonna get a whole bunch of other tools too, but that's it. This is quite the tool. You get all of those bits. The bit size is 5/32, but we're gonna sell it to you with a full set of bits. We're gonna make it inexpensive enough that you're not even gonna want to buy spare bits. If you wear these bits out, you'll just buy a brand new tool and be very happy that you got everything out of it. Let me just pop this away. So I'm gonna pull out the cartridge. Let me pull out my bit. I'm gonna try to keep it in focus for you. My bit just goes right back in. Click. Slide that in. Putting it back in the cartridge. Click. No click. It just slides in. And comes in an unusual case. We all thought we'd seen these before, but you quarter turn it towards you, comes right out. Tool goes away. Put this back in. Oops, quarter turn. There we go, quarter turn. Now it's locked in there. Comes out easy. Turn, locked, turn, opens. Very cool. So there it is. That is the Maratac Covert Precision Screwdriver Kit. I think you're going to like it. Take care. Oh, until next time, stay safe, be alert.